Hello, good day to all my future employers. I am Camille Cortez, 30 years old, single, and I live here in Philippines, Malabon City. And I have four kids. The first is 13 years old, the second is 9, the third is 6, and the last is 2. I have 3 years experience of nanny or maid. The family I taking care of the kids is 10 years old and the 3 years old. Going to school, prepared for the meals, washing clothes, and anything cleaning in the house. And my personality is kindness, very sociable, friendly, and that's it. I prefer to work is helper, is to for taking care the kids, especially the newborn, and then cleaning the house like maid or nanny. It's okay for me. Does it matter anything that we need in the house to clean like that. To my future employers, thank you so much and please check my helper library app, my profile. Thank you so much and have a great day.